I just want to make you aware of a quick hack that I use that helps me save money on design and development. When it comes to things like wireframes, rather than hiring a team member to go in and create the mock-ups of the different screens, I'll typically go and do those myself. Now, there are a bunch of different applications and subscriptions that you can do in order to get wireframing applications. I use the first one here, Wireframe Sketcher, which is about $100, and it does everything that I need to do. But just wanted to make you aware that there are a bunch of other utilities that are available too, depending on the budget that you have. So if you want to find ways to save money on your implementation and your application build, you can do a lot of the wireframing yourself. I'll just show you real quick how easy it is to use. So I have Wireframe Sketcher up here. I'm just going to create a new wireframe project. Call this test. There are a bunch of pre-built templates that you can start from, or you can start from scratch. And if we wanted to create a web application, I can drag the browser component in from my panel on the right-hand side. Resize this to however we want, and then we can put things like text, title up here, put a title for the page, create some text boxes for my input, a label for my text box, enter name. We could do things like change text sizes, colors, and all that. So just for simplicity, just to show you basically how this works, I'm not going to do any of that. I will just create a couple of these fields. What's good about this tool as well is that you can line up different boxes fairly easily. There's all sorts of different options that we have. Search for a button right now. We could use this to show, like for example, any kind of output. Could have in there as well. We can put all sorts of objects here, so it's great to just scroll down and see what different components are available to you. And each of these wireframes here can be exported. And typically I'll just create all the screens. You can create new ones, and then you could do this batch PDF export, and it'll generate PDF documents that look just like this, where that you can share with your development team so they know what to build. So again, you don't have to do this. You could, go the route of hiring a UI specialist to, create the designs around what the screen is going to look like. Or if you want to save some money and do it yourself, this is a great way to, to show a developer, here's what I need to